Well, hello, Coffee Time friends. We're just jumping on here tonight to tell you we won't be on tonight. Ain't that crazy? We took the night off. I had to travel today, and I had to pass right by a Kentucky Fried Chicken. And I called Mama. I said, Mama, you know what? I got passed by that Kentucky Fried Chicken over here. And she said, well, it wouldn't be a bad idea to don't get us about chicken. So that's what we had for supper tonight. No cooking, no dishes to wash.
Great night.
Great night. Mama's excited. Look at that. Have you seen her this excited in a while? So, we're here, but we ain't going to cook. We ain't going to stay long. I'm going to do a few things, just a few. And then I'm going to bed early. It's 7. I'm going to be to bed. I'm tired. Thursdays are my tired days.
Well, you travel a lot.
You know what I thought about driving home today, Mama?
What?
This is Thursday, the week after Bible school. And I remember the Thursday week before Bible school thinking, I've got Bible school this week, I've got to do this, this, and this. And that's all come and gone, and we've done been a week out.
I know it.
I mean, this is a whole week later, and we ain't had Bible school.
I know it.
Time is not the same, is it? Isn't time going a lot faster? I should be out in the middle week of Bible school last week. Here I am, done all the Bible school. Done went a whole other week. It's hard to believe.
But you had to work late all this week, just about it.
I don't even want to tell you, sis, but if you think about it, it's the 12th. It's almost mid-June.
The year's
June just started.
half over with.
How do we get 12 days in?
It just started.
Can somebody explain that to me? How we got 12 days of June already checked off? Tomorrow, we're going to be mid-month in 2 days. Summer is nearly gone. 4th of July is just rapidly approaching.
Really, summer don't start till June the 21st.
I know when it does, Mama, but I'm telling you.
It just flies.
Here's the thing. Seems like last week I was afraid to plant something or get ferns for the porch because I was afraid of frost. I was waiting on Mother's Day. Mother's Day is our click to go ahead and start putting out plants. It's done come, it's gone. We've got tomatoes that have grown a foot. I mean, I just want to grab hold of it and say, whoa, slow down a little bit. We've got children that really didn't participate in Bible school like they used to because now they're grown. And they should still be babies. And June's half gone.
This is Father's Day weekend.
Father's Day weekend.
We just had Mother's Day, seemed like yesterday.
Bam. I don't know, folks. It's just flying. Night, day, night. Just so quick. What do y'all think about it? That cheese keeper, is it the small one?
Yeah.
Or the large? It's the small one.
Small one.
Mama said it's a small, and we use it. We've used it since first day it came in. We washed it that day. We put cheese in it, and I said that won't work. That cheese will be dried out in 2 days.
And I did too.
Because it's full of holes on top.
What's that old saying? You had to eat them words. We
ate them words because there's a film in there too. I've never lost a piece of cheese in it. Never had one dry out. Never had one mold. I don't know. I'm just telling you the way it is. And we've used it for 5 years. That cheese keeper is 5 years old. 4 years, 5 years. How long it's been?
I don't know.
I think it's one of the first when we first started Tupperware. Mama's still selling Tupperware. Her link is underneath every video. Go to it, hit the 3 dots up at the corner, and then select shop. And just have at it. They've got all kinds of stuff. I'm going to post some pictures. If I get a chance to tonight after I get settled in, that's what I'll do. I'll post some pictures of Tupperware for Mama. And they're pretty stuff for spring. It really is pretty. So
Got
I'll
some
try to.
pretty good deals.
Yeah, good deals. And they just dropped today, so they should still have them all. But anyhow, back to time. I don't know. The older I get, the faster time goes. I know it. Evelyn, it's just unbelievable to me. John, the older you get, the faster time goes by, Sherry. Well, I'm telling you what, another year or two, I'll have to hold on. Because I'm telling you, I can't believe. You know, we were just putting up trees. You know, Mama wasn't feeling well around Christmas, but she was feeling better. But we were putting up trees and then, you know, looking forward to the break of the weather. Looking forward to being able to plant. You know, I remember the day Mama planted onions and lettuce, and it was February, and I said, "Oh, you get an early start." And she said, "Yeah, I'll be here before you know it." It's done past. We've done eat lettuce and onions. June, honest to goodness, if you just woke me up and said, "How long has June been here?" I said, "Well, it just started last week. It's 12 days in."
You used to say, put your Christmas tree up as soon as the
The
fire.
smoke clears from the firecrackers.
Now we're going to have to start when Father's Day rolls around.
I'm telling you.
Get them out so we can get them started.
2025 hit, and, you know, we thought, well, it's quick. It's half gone. And June, to me, used to be a long month of fun, and ain't nothing long about it. It's done. It's here. It's done.
This weekend it'll be half over with.
Half gone. We'll take what we get, but I just wonder if y'all's feeling it like I am. Hi, y'all. Love watching you both. Well, thank you, Tina.
Thank you.
Hi, John and Mama. Love watching y'all. Well, thank you from Andersonville, Georgia. Miss Patricia. Dorothy, I had turkey sandwich, potato salad, Mexican, and cantaloupe. Dorothy, that's another thing. I ain't had no good cantaloupe this year. We gotta go to the farmer's market early, Mama.
Yeah.
We gotta get down there and see if we can't get us some vegetables in. Hi, Mama and John. Hey, Veronda, how are you? John, you need to hurry up and retire so you can enjoy the fast time. Gwen, I really do want to retire. Technically, I could retire in April. Technically. But there's going to be a gap there in some Social Security. So I may wait another year or two, but I could retire now. But technically I could retire next year.
Yeah.
If I wanted to. I could, you know. I don't know if I want to retire, I just don't want to work.
What choices are there?
I like my job. I like what I do, and I like the people I work with. So it's not like it's a horrible experience. It's just, I would like to just get up in the morning and go, what are you going to do today? First thing, we're going to have some coffee. I think I'll go sit on the porch and have that. And then make my plan.
I say, I did nothing today, and I'm going to do the same thing tomorrow.
But Mama stays busy. Mama says she don't know how she have time to work.
When
Everybody
you work,
who
you make yourself, schedule yourself out to do it. And when you don't work, you get lax in it, and you don't get as much done.
How have you not worked, Mama? 10 years?
Yeah. 10 years this July, maybe 10 years.
10 years. That's another thing went by fast.
I know it. I retired in 15.
Yeah.
You
And I remember you saying, I don't know
it's
if I...
off the internet or whatever.
No, it's just saying low battery. I remember you saying, I don't know if I like this retirement. And I said, you know, always get another job, or we'll open a business or something. You can do something you want to do. And you said, well,
no, thank you.
first she said, well, if I get bored, we'll do something. And then I asked her 6-7 months later, you ready for me to get you a job? No, don't you get me no job. I ain't doing it. She liked it.
I fell right into it.
I don't know what she did with her life because she didn't drink coffee when she first retired. That's what I plan on dedicating a huge part of my retirement to. It's just sitting and drinking coffee on the porch, listening to the birds, puttering around. I want to get to my puttering years.
Puttering. Well, with a house and a land, you don't have much puttering time. You got to keep upkeep.
Oh, this land may have to go back to nature. We have people now to take care of the land. But if they didn't need the hay and need the, I don't know what we'd do. I guess I'd pay to have it bush hogged. But I like to see the land still producing. I like to know that animals are still eating hay and, you know, and people still able to tend it and do things. You know, it's just a good thing that's still rolling on. I thought
It's worth something still if it's producing. Doing
it's
something.
producing. It had a whole hayfield full of rows of hay. It was so pretty. I should have took a picture of it. Did I show you all? No, I wasn't out there. That you have to be out there quick because they don't leave hay long. Once they get it rolled, it's got to go. Can't get it wet. I always thought.
This year there's really fast at it.
I always thought when I retired, I'd get some more animals. You want to talk about anti-retirement? Get you some cows and something to take care of.
No matter how bad you feel or what it is, they have to be took care of.
I do good to raise 2 wild pups. And they about raise themselves now. I don't know how in the world, Mom. I was just thinking last night laying in bed. How do we earn the privilege of having 2 precious pups?
Oh, wow.
Because they are precious.
You're kind-hearted. You took us in a drop-off that nobody wanted.
And it's the best thing ever.
She is a good dog.
She's perfect. Now that baby's perfect. Now that other one, he's perfect in his own special way.
He's a pup yet. He's
He
just
laid
a little
on
over
me.
a year old.
He laid on my feet and legs out there last night.
I don't know. He started when he's a tiny puppy, laying on you.
Well, he just wants to get so close to you, and then he leans in on you. And I thought, you know what? He may have me pinned. So heavy. He weighs 50-something pounds.
He about, when he leans against me, I have to stagger.
Well, he was sitting on both of my feet. And honestly, I tried to move my right foot out, and I thought, I don't know if I can move out from under you.
He's too heavy anymore.
I managed. But he's dead weight. He's just laying there looking up at you. I couldn't ask him to move. He looked comfortable. So we're not cooking. We had KFC tonight. And we had KFC and y'all sweet tea. Sweet tea and KFC. That's a good combo.
Oh, yeah.
Anyhow, we're going to say goodnight before this battery goes dead. It's down to 8.
Ooh.
So, Mama,
Good night, Mama. God bless you. And have a wonderful night.
y'all have a blessed night. Lord willing, we'll see you tomorrow night, Friday night. Who knows what we'll get into. Y'all have a blessed night. Bye-bye.
Bye.